Hey, what's up guys? Gingerbread and Jelly Bean. Welcome to another episode of JVLOGS. The name is Plunkett. So today I want to talk about this topic because I find it very important that I enlighten people about this and the fact that a lot of people do it. So what I want to talk about is pretty much people driving and talking on their phones. No, what I mean by driving and talking on your phone, you actually have the phone at your ears, talking and driving at the same time. This is very distracting. Doing that, you can cause accident, and that is the reason why a lot of accidents occur, people talking on their phones. And not only that, but sometimes we do text on our phone. I'm guilty of that. I know we shouldn't drive and text, but sometimes you have to answer an emergency text or whatever it is. But if you can avoid it completely, then avoid it completely. No, the point I want to make is, or get across, is that in America right now, you can go into the dealership and get a car for $0 down. Pretty much you can go and get a car and pay your monthly installment. Now, most of the cars that they're selling are later model cars, 2010, 2011, 12, come out to 2016. So they're all new cars. The car manufacturer has been putting in Bluetooth in the cars for a few years now, probably over a decade now. They're putting in Bluetooth into cars and stuff like that. So as technology advances, so does the car. It has better fuel economy and stuff. So getting back to the point I'm trying to make is that most of you that are driving right now have Bluetooth built into your car, into your stereo system. Only thing you need to do is look for the Bluetooth. Look in the manual, look for the Bluetooth on the car. There's a Bluetooth sign right there. Connect that Bluetooth to your phone. Now, what is that doing? It is allowing you to talk to the car and not have your phone at your ears. And why is this important? You're multitasking, you're driving, you're talking, but you're not using your hands per se to pretty much answer and distract you. You're not being distracted by the phone. So you're driving, you're paying attention while talking on the phone at the same time. And most of the car have the features where you see the green and the red button on the cars. And let me show you right now what I'm talking about. So that is what I'm talking about right there, where you have the answer button, where you have the hang up, and you have the voice right there. So this is where it is, right on the car steering right there. And most of these cars, they have these features. You have the volume on here. So that's important. And look over here, you see the Bluetooth right here, Bluetooth MP3. Now, if you're going to say, oh, my car don't have Bluetooth and I can't talk, there's no excuse. You can literally take out the radio that you have in your car and put in a Bluetooth enabled speaker into a Bluetooth enabled radio into your car, and it works. It pretty much works. So that is just my advice to you. Look for the Bluetooth in your car, connect it to your phone. It is very simple. It is easy to connect to your phone. And talk through the car. Just talk and they will pretty much hear you. So that will prevent you from actually answering your phone with your hands, distracting you, causing you to swerve. Or just get one of these small Bluetooth and put it on your ear. So if you're getting a call, you can press it on your ear like that and talk. So use the technology wisely. Drive carefully on the road. And yeah, that's just it. Be smart. Save your life. So I just want to, encourage you guys just to do that. So this is JVLOGS again, Plunkett. Remember to subscribe and share. In the comments below, leave a comment. Start a discussion. Let me know what you think. Tell me if you're guilty of driving and calling and dialing and stuff like that. Just tell me, if you're driving safe and stuff. Thanks for watching, people. I'm out.